You don't budget it?
Oh, I can tell what it is. I can see what's on it. You don't see it yet.
Man, put too much paper on that. What? Tell us?
Dog is small enough. No. How would this
That was great.
So hurry up, Dad. You gotta help me with this one. Chases the lights around the floor. Look, look, look.
And he just sees a box.
Yeah. You gotta turn it over for him. Let's see.